back today because I was waiting yesterday and I cannot wait someone to come help me. They're so busy here. So anyway, that's how you do. If you like, this is a big box I cannot carry, so you just ask whoever like wearing blue shirts, they can come help. No, they will call someone to carry out whatever they will deliver in your car. You need to wait for certain minutes. So I don't know. Oh, the most I love to this chair is a folding one, so I can fold during winter time. Yeah, fold. Oh, I see. Oh my goodness. Oh. I got here all the tools.
I'm gonna get some food for the bird.
What you gonna give for the bird?
What?
You need to buy something.
Bread.
Huh?
I'm gonna give the bird bread.
Bread?
Yeah.
You give a bread? Okay. Go.
Right.
I don't think they eat that bread. Oh yeah, probably try them.
Okay.
Life here in Canada, guys, you know, don't just rely all to your husband. Husband is working. Morrison.
Okay, G7 is G, okay?
Nag-aapa nga sound. Morrison, go kay your ano to, gitarin ka. Baliktad, Morrison. Use the other one. Jethro, that's not how. My goodness.
Yes, out of tune.
Out of tune. You
This
have to.
is the
You have to listen to the guitar. You cannot just like sing.
What is this for?
This is how we do every Friday evening. Cooking lamb today, guys. Yeah, it's not yet cooked. I need 2 hours more. It's done. Okay. Whoa, look at that, Maya.
Can I
Here,
see?
Take a look. Take a look. Take a look.
Oh my gosh.
It look like bird.
Yeah.
No, it's not bird. That's how I cook for 3.5 hours.
3.5.
Gonna be our dinner.
It's lamb.
Yeah. You like lamb?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, girl. We're
Okay,
gonna
mommy. Look at the camera.
just wait, lady.
Just wait. Holy moly.
Just wait, girl. Woohoo!
Ooh.